If you want to copy slides from one PowerPoint presentation to another, this quick video will show you the easiest way to do it. First, open the PowerPoint presentation that contains the slides you want to copy. Click the View tab at the top, then select Slide Sorter. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click to select the slides you need. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted slides and choose Copy. Next, open the PowerPoint presentation where you want to paste the slides. Go to the View tab again and click Slide Sorter. Right-click in the spot where you want the slides to appear, then click Paste. That's it. Your slides are now copied into the new presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.